Hi guys, welcome to my channel. On today's video, I'm gonna make pickled cucumber. All the ingredients I'm gonna leave in the description box. Let's get started. I'm gonna sterilize the jars and the lids for at least 20 minutes. Remove with a food tongue. Allow to dry in a clean tea towel and set aside the saucepan. I'm gonna pour water, white wine vinegar, cooking salt, boil, and turn off the induction hob. With my hands clean, I'm gonna put the cucumber slices, and pour the vinegar mixture over. I'm gonna cover the jars. Put in the saucepan I set aside. Cook for 15 minutes. Remove. And allow to cool. Well guys, I hope you have enjoyed this video and see you on the next one. See you later. Bye!